Hello guys, how are you doing? The last video I showed you how to design this navbar, and you can easily see it if you preview the website. But I've actually made a change on it in terms of the color of the background. I was just playing around with let me go back. Where is that? Okay. I was just playing around with the theme with the particular nav menu that I selected. I went here to select this particular menu. It was not the one that I've used before. Actually, I think we use this simple menu, but it turns out to be different from the one I've been using, which is this. Then the advanced one, which I said I'm going to show you. So I'll just fingering with it, trying to see what I can do with it. So okay, let's move straight to action. We want to edit it. I said I don't like this background. I want to remove the background, but it turns out that if I try to change the background, let me click it. Let me come into my navigator here, simple menu. Let me click it. So if I change the background, I can change the background by reducing the intensity. It has gone to almost white now. Let's say it's white now. Now, if I do that, you can see that the color, I can't see anything again. The color is gone. Let me click out. The color is still there. The nav menu are still there, but as you can see, they are not showing again. You see, they are not showing again. So that means I need to change the color of the. I need to change the color of the links, or the menu rather. Sorry, I need to change the color of the menu. So that's what I need to do so that they will show. They are not visible now. Then I want to show you how to edit this particular links here. I can't remember whether I showed it in the last video or not. I will show you. Then okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Top level item. You can come here. If you come here, top level item, and test color. Yes, test color. Let me change it. Let me change it to. This is not advisable anyway. I don't have color code, but you should have color code that you are using. You can easily change it here. Just have your color code written down. Then you can have it here. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, you can see that it's showing now. I've changed the color they are showing. Another thing that I might want to do, let me come to typography. I might want to increase the size. I might want to increase. Oh, this is too big. Let me use 18. 124. No, I want to use 18. 18. Okay, I think that's okay. Do I want to change anything there? Let me see. So if you want to control, this is the normal, this is the default. You might want to control when it is hovered or when it is selected. You might want to change the color or tinker with the color. So you come here. I'm still selecting the simple menu, and apart from that, I'm still working on the top level item. So I can just come here. I don't have any drop down menu here. I don't have any mega menu or drop down menu. So what I could do is that if I want to work on the over, so that when you mouse over it, I might want to change the color. Let me just change the color to black. Let me just change the color to black. Background border. I don't want to give it border. Sorry, I don't want any of my things to have border actually. So I just change it to transparent. If I don't want any color to be there, I'll just change it to transparent, so no color will be there. So that's that. Let me update it, then we'll preview it on that end there. So it's updated now. Let me refresh the site here. So you can see this is what I have. Then another thing I did, I think I did that offline. Another thing that I did is that you can actually center align. You can do the center align. It was on this edge before. So you can do the center alignment. Should I call it center alignment? Anyway, there's horizontal and there's vertical. The horizontal alignment, you can come here, just click what you want to do. Let me click it. Let me click out again. Then let me click it again. So you can do the alignment. You can set where it should be. Should it be in the center? Okay, no, it won't be here. Okay, position. Position. This is position. Okay, no, I don't want to introduce it to this yet. This is proper CSS, and I'm not using positioning for this for navbar actually. Column. Let me click out. Then click in again. Okay, this is what I'll do. Let me go to style. I'm coming back to style. So some of these things you have to actually play around with them, see how they work. That will help you more. But it's only the vital ones that I've told you. Sorry, my mouse is playing some sort of prank. Okay, background, no. Border, no. Shadow, no. Let me look at this top level item. Alignment, yes, this is where I did it. So, it's still on that top level item. You can align it to the left. You can see it's to the left. Now, you can align it to the center, which I want. And you can align it to the right. So, that's how to do this. Okay, so you can add more pages to this. Someone asked that how can they add more pages to this. I think I will do that in this video. Let me just combine it together. So but before that, let me go to my social icons. I simply click the column. But what I want to edit is actually the social icon that is inside. You know, I told you yesterday about tree being inside tree. No, I'm sorry, branches being on trees. And a branch can have many other branches. Another branch can have many other branches. So we have this section, then we have branches. 2 column, 3 column. Then each column is having branches on them again. Sorry. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, sorry for the break in transmission. Okay, I'm back now. Okay, so I've selected the social icons. If you come to style, you can decide how big you want the size to be here. You can increase it. Oh no, of course. Then you can reduce it. That's too small. I'm thinking of making it 18. Okay, let me just do the number here. Let's say 18. So I think that's okay. And apart from that, icon, that's style. Okay, you can if you want border to be there, you can add border radius if you want. If you want border radius, you can even make it I intentionally did not uncheck this. Let me use 20 pixel. You can see that I didn't uncheck this, so it will, once I enter one value, it will enter for everything. So you can leave it like this if you want it to be circular like this. So what is, if you want a border to be there, you can save solid, but I don't want any border to be there, so I'll select none. Actually, it's not professional to have border around. Then I'm thinking of changing what I have here to 18, so that it will be perfect square. Perfect circle. No, it's not really perfect. So you can tinker around, but this is our own basic this is our basic navbar. We've styled it. Then another thing we have not done here, let me update this. Another thing we have not done here is, let me click out. Then okay, I've done this also. You know, in the container, this particular column that is actually icons, you can set whether you want everything vertically. Try to align them in the center. Actually, whenever you have a column like that, you have different columns on a row or in a section. Try to align them in the middle in terms of vertically. Then you can now decide whether you want it to be at the start or you want it to be at end. Though this is not moving well, but that's that. But normally they are aligned to the center. I understand why it is not moving. I'm coming. So you can just tinker around with it. Let me stop this video here. I will show you in the next video how to add more pages and have them showing on your on your nav bar here. Let me update for the last time. So that will be video 3 for the nav area. Then that will be the end for the nav area. Then we move to another section. Maybe I will show you how to do footer too. Okay, that's that for now. Have I review it? Let me review it. I'm coming. So that's that. So bye.